Welcome to this walk around video. Today we've got a lovely Range Rover Evoque Autobiography. So it does come with a lot of specification as standard. It is a 70 registration and is finished in the lovely Eiger Grey. As you can see, it's got all the gold autobiography details. It does of course have matrix LED headlights. And you may have also noticed it does have the 3D surround camera system as well. As standard, you do get the 21-inch alloy wheels with contrasting red brake calipers. Down the side you've got privacy glass and your keyless entry flush deployable handles. You may have also noticed it does come with the sliding panoramic glass roof, which is a very rare feature to see on the Evoques. Moving around to the rear, you see the autobiography detailing continues. It does of course have an electric tailgate. If we move inside, you are greeted with full ebony perforated Windsor leather, and you do have heated outer rear seats as standard on the autobiography. You do also have the Meridian 825 watt surround sound system. And up front you do have electric front seats with the driver memory function. Both seats are heated and cooled. Do also have a heated leather steering wheel. As you can see, it's got adaptive cruise control. You do also have features such as blind spot assist and traffic sign recognition. The car's covered just over 35,000 miles from new. As you can see, it does have the interactive driver's display, the upgraded MHEV Pro display with satellite navigation, your camera system, Apple CarPlay, digital radio, and your dual screen there for your climate control and your seats, as well as the terrain response. Does also come with a wireless charger underneath the centre console, but a lovely specification nonetheless. If you do have any questions about this car, please do get in touch. The number is 01423 33 1133.